Let's spin a disc.
What's good, family? How you guys doing? How you guys keeping? Welcome back to the Blessed Review. Trust you guys are doing okay. Now today we have Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa, man, highlighting to us the problem he has with modern day prophets. Yeah, you heard me correct. The problem he has with modern day prophets. You know what I'm saying? Now I ain't gonna say too much about this. I'll allow the good prophet to take us away and take it home. And let's see what the man of God has to say. If you feel some type of way, throw in the comment section, son. Remember to like, share, subscribe. My name is Bliss, and I'm out.
Sit down physically, not in the spirit, physically, to see prophecies concerning the world. People are busy dishing out prophecies that are far from prophecy. Go and find out what prophets are saying. It should never be said by prophets. It's not in the category of prophecies. It's not. It's not. God said to me, this is why reasonable people have stopped coming into my house. Because people representing me have proven to be unreasonable.
Okay.
There is more darkness in church than in the world. Outside people are more enlightened.
Okay.
What we are considering, we are celebrating as prophecy now. A prophet is coming out. Prophets, many, it's not one. Go and find out. Many in there copying each other. Copying each other. This one says that. You hear prophecy like technology is going to increase. There will be serious technology. Where is this guy staying? Do you think serious people are ever going to come to church? Is this what we have become as the church? I'm seeing in the spirit very soon we won't be using these cards in the banks. It's going to be something technological. Say, where are you staying? You yourself, you feel it's a prophecy and everyone needs to know and write it down.